In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a measurement price calculator to a Woocommerce product. The process is simple and quick, ensuring that you're equipped to efficiently manage products that require price calculation based on measurements. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll start, as it holds the keys to building and managing your website effectively. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. You'll find this button towards the top right of the web page. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you enter your credentials correctly to access your account. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central command, offering all the tools you need to customize and enhance your site. From there, look for the Plugins option in your menu. Plugins are essential for extending WordPress capabilities, and this is where you'll be adding the new feature. Once you click on Plugins, you'll see an Add Plugin button. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the plugin installation page. In the search bar provided, type in Measurement Price Calculator. This search will bring up a selection of plugins that match your query. Now, look for the plugin titled Flexible Quantity Measurement. This is the specific plugin you'll need to install. Once you've found it, you'll notice an Install and Activate button. By clicking this, you install the plugin, and it becomes active on your site, ready to configure for your Woocommerce products. Let me give you a helpful tip here. Activating the plugin doesn't modify your products automatically. You'll need to configure each product that requires this feature. Simply head to your Woocommerce products, select a product you want to apply the calculator to, and configure it with the measurement-based pricing options that the plugin provides. This feature is invaluable for those who sell products in varying dimensions, like fabric, flooring, or any items sold by length, area, or volume. By following these steps, your Woocommerce store will be set to handle more complex pricing scenarios, offering you flexibility while simplifying the buying process for your customers. That wraps up our quick tutorial. Now you have the tools needed to add a measurement price calculator to your Woocommerce products efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this addition helps enhance your online store's functionality.